Hey tubers, Ken Small Engines. Today we have one of these Craftsman blowers, 27cc with the speed start option, which just means it's a little easier to pull it. Customer's complaint won't start, and 99% of the time it is straight gassed and no compression, and the flywheel was able to turn real slow by hand. So I took it apart, and what I found was the upper piston ring right here is basically jammed in there because of aluminum, carbon, whatever. Usually it's carbon. People run bad gas or old gas, and if you look on the top of that piston, there's a lot of carbon on there. What happens is the carbon gets on the sidewalls, works its way into the cylinder. Luckily it didn't score the cylinder. I'll show you the cylinder. But this ring here, right over here, it's basically jammed in there, so it's not contacting the cylinder wall, so you don't get any compression. I was able to turn the flywheel just by 2 fingers. So the bottom ring looks pretty good. It's free, moves pretty easily. So I'm going to take both rings out. I'm going to clean them up. I'm going to clean up the ring lands, take the carbon off the top of the piston. Piston doesn't look like it has many scores and a lot of dirt, but not really deep scores. So I'm going to clean that out. But one thing I wanted to ask YouTubers, the guys that work on the small engines, the piston pin, it's weird. On this side, it looks like the piston pin is basically, oh, where is it here? Oh, let me get my thing. Hold it, get my. All right, it looks like that piston pin is way up on this side, but if you feel from the other side, it looks like it's in about 1/4 inch. I've never seen that before. If anyone has worked on these MTDs and has seen that before, let me know, because it's just strange. It's a weird arrangement. It's almost as if there's a Welsh plug in there or something holding the thing in, and I've never seen wrist pins that are hollow and solid on one side. Usually they're through, you know. So if anyone has any info on that, let me know. So what I'll do is I will clean this thing up, put the ring back in, put it back together, and let you guys know how it goes. But right now, if you look at the cylinder, it's pretty clean. Oh, where are we going here? Yeah, you can see in there, it's pretty clean. I didn't really see anything in there. So, you know, hopefully the cylinder's good, everything's good. Base gasket, it's all good on there. Like I said, the guy doesn't have a lot of hours on this thing. It's probably 4 or 5 years old. So I'm going to clean it up, get it back together. Then I'll throw up another video and show you guys how I made up. But at this point, that piston pin is really screwing with me. I've never seen one look like that. It almost looks like it's a Welsh plug in there. I don't know. Just never seen anything like that. So if anyone has any clues on the MTDs of why they look like that, I'm going to look at a parts list and call up the parts, and maybe it'll, you know, solve the mystery. But just weird to me. All right, guys, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching, and hit like, subscribe if you like. Hopefully in the next few weeks I get some more good videos. Just bought a camera mount so I can use a tripod, so hopefully that'll help me out. Thanks for all your support so far, those that have subscribed and liked, and we'll catch you later. Thanks, guys.